Hello friends, welcome to Ingenious KIDS World. I want to share this amazing website. It's Lufe.AI. It's easy and user-friendly to translate text, images and PDF document in any language for school and college assignments and also when you travel abroad for personal and business trips. Let's explore this website. When we click on text translation, we can copy and paste any text. I am going to translate French language into English. Now let's tap on the translation button. We can also hear the audio.
Good morning. My name is Julian. I am 27 years old and I come from Lyon. I am a graphic designer and I like the photo and the bicycle. Delighted.
We can also copy the text and paste it. Next, let's click on Image Translation. We can tap on Select an image to choose an image we want to translate. Then we can tap on the translating button to translate it. We can tap on the audio to hear it.
Je m'appelle.
My name is.
We can hear and copy the text of both languages. When you scroll down, you can see the translated image. Let's try another image translation, friends.
Ressources publiques.
Public resources.
Pratique de conversation de niveau intermédiaire.
Intermediate level conversation practice.
Wow, isn't that amazing? We translated the image successfully. Now let's move on to PDF translation. Let's tap on Select PDF and let's choose the image we want to translate. We can hear the audio and also copy the text.
Pratique de conversation en français, niveau intermédiaire.
Conversation practice in French, intermediate level. Here is an example of a dialogue to practice conversation in French. This dialogue is intended.
Wow, LufeAI is amazing. It works very well. Now let's tap on pricing. The basic features are absolutely free. LufeAI also has other pricing plans, starter, standard and premium. The details are listed down below. I really recommend Lufe.AI. It's a very amazing website. It's very easy to use. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.